safety is at the forefront of everybody's thoughts these days. It comes before productivity and efficiency and everything else. So every product that we design has safety as the first criteria. So it's just an inherent part of the process in product development and research and development. And then we even go back and look at older products, see how we can improve them to make them safer, as well as more efficient and more productive.
So we're a manufacturer, and we're seriously concerned about safety. We've celebrated on three occasions now, a million plus hours worked at our plant. So we take safety very serious. We take it serious on behalf of our design, our manufacturing, for our partners, for producers. So we're working in stuff like smart equipment, IoT, things like that give telemetric feedback to producers so they don't have to climb around on equipment. We're doing things to lighten our components so that people handle our components. They do so with less risk of injury. Those are two things that we're doing.
Well, that's a very good question, because safety should be our number one thing on our minds. And a couple of the things that we do, really like with belt scales, would be in calibration weights, in that someone doesn't have to stick their hand in the conveyor area in order to be able to apply calibration weights. And that the equipment has certain guards, certain safety features and everything to help avoid safety concerns. The other part really is training, making sure people are properly trained on how to use the equipment in a safe manner.
Yes, over the years, we're manufacturing our power transmission equipment, specifically drum motors that they drive the belt on the conveyors. We have made great advantage of incorporating in our safety in our products. So where we address the safety that we address in our products is to make sure that you don't have any external components on a conveyor, like motor gearbox, chain sprockets, so it can be harmful to people working around the conveyor. So our designs exclusively have been focused of designing and producing equipment that they don't need any of those components, so it will be a lot more safe to use and it will contribute to the better efficiency of the operation.
So, of course, we do collision warning radar, and we work on both the end user and the OEM side. And the end users are driving the OEMs to take a harder look at the safety technology. It started off with backup alarms, cameras, but now you're seeing the active safety technology, which is what we do, incorporated into these machines to alert the operator to impending hazards in the blind areas. And it's going to continue to grow. There's a lot of new technology that's coming out that you're seeing from the on-road or from the vehicle side, the passenger car technology that's following into the heavy-duty on and off-road equipment.
The use, we tend to use heavy, solid electronics, a lot of sensors, a lot of prevention in terms of human interaction with the machine of possible safety issues. So we are a big advocate of using the state-of-the-art technology that inevitably has to do with heavy electronics, heavy computers, and so on and so forth. Sometimes the industry is very weary about electronics and computers due to the fact that we work in a very dusty environment and so on and so forth, but we believe and we prove on the field that there are technological solutions that make possible the use of heavy electronics and heavy computer in extreme environments. So the answer to safety for our equipment is the use of heavy computerized machines with heavy electronics, with heavy, that allows basically the operator to be, or the machine to kind of read what the operator is going to do. And therefore we believe that electronics is a big component in prevention and safety.